Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's video we're going to be giving a lot more sticker swap shoutouts. Stickers keep coming in the mail and I'm happy to send out my sticker, and that's totally awesome. So without further ado, let's start giving some more sticker swap shoutouts. The first one I want to give is to my friend Greg, who works for Red Bull, and he sent me these awesome Red Bull stickers. I'm not going to add these to the wall since they're so big, but I will hang these up out in the workshop. Thank you, Greg. Here we have Blackbeard flags, and I really love this sticker. I can't imagine why. Really awesome logo. Here we have two stickers from a friend of mine who goes by Ink Goes Wild Alaska over on Instagram. I won one of her sticker raffles, and I've actually already got her sticker on the Sticker Swap sticker wall, her Killer Whale one with the word Alaska on it. So it's awesome to add these stickers to my collection. Operation Woodworks. Split Finger Designs. Really nice baseball themed logo there. BAFR Woodworks. Romans 8 Woodworking. Rookie Wood Shop. Island Custom Concepts. Nice tiki themed logo there. Really like that. Occasionally Happy Campers. Under the Water Designs and Woodworks. Really neat with the waves there. R&J Custom Woodcrafts from Harker Heights, Texas. And Shopfox International. That is all the stickers I have for this video to give shout outs to. Now, as always, let's get the new stickers up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall. All of the new stickers are up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall, and it's really starting to get full. There's just a little bit more room left to add awesome stickers, and if you guys would like to see your sticker up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall before it gets full, please send me a message on Instagram at my Instagram page at Artisan Pirate, and I'll be happy to get a sticker out to you, and you can send a sticker to me and I will throw it up on the wall while there's room left. I'm sure I'll be adding another panel somewhere once this one gets completely full. So I'm happy to add stickers all the time and give shout outs. As for the shout outs, I will be leaving links down in the description box below to everyone's Instagram page where you can go and follow them, like their stuff, network with them, make new friends, and of course sticker swap with them. It's a great way to network and communicate throughout the woodworking and maker community. I hope you guys like this video, and remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.